Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So I do beauty content, lifestyle content. So if those are the things that you like to watch, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you get notified of my future videos, and come join the Loud family. Today I'll be unbagging the Ipsy September 2021 Glam Bag Plus. So let's get to it. So if you didn't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription based in the US. So they only ship to the US and Canada, and they actually have three types of subscription bag, which is Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and also Glam Bag X. So I am actually subscribed to all three, but this month I paused my Glam Bag subscription, so I only got the Glam Bag Plus. So this is how the September bag looks like. So I think it's really cute. It has like all the, it has this like, it reminds me a lot of the movie Clueless. If you guys have ever watched that, you know, the character Cher, she actually has like the start of the story, she wore like this two-piece blazer and a skirt that actually has this, it's like a houndstooth design. So it really reminds me of that time, which is like super cool. So let's see what I got in my bag. Usually in these Ipsy bags, they give like card. So this month's theme is actually back to work, school, life. Ipsy back to work, school, life. So sometimes when they give these cards, they actually have the list of products in the card, but I guess for this bag it's just, you know, your official fall skincare guide. So it's just like a guide how to for skincare, I guess. So I have to open my app to see more information on the things that I got. So the first thing in my bag is actually the Canologica facial hydration oil. So they say that this is a clean beauty brand. So this is how the bottle looks like. I think it looks similar to the ordinary bottles. If you've used the ordinary products, it's quite similar to, you know, it has like a pump, like a dropper thing here. So it smells really good. I love the smell. It smells like a very soothing smell of, like, I don't know, I mean, some people might not like this smell, but I think because it has like lemongrass, leaf oil, flower oil, peppermint, and limonene. So it has a very lemony smell. So okay, so yeah, this is the first item that I got. Okay, next thing that I got is actually this. So this is the Real Her I Am Graceful Powerwear Probiotic Foundation, blue light technology. So this is a foundation in the color I Am Graceful actually. So the color is shell beige. So okay, this is how it looks like. So it comes in like a tube like this. I guess it's with a pump. Yes, it's with a pump, but okay, it's a bit messy there. It came in a box, but I guess some of it came out. You guys can see it. So, but it has a pump, so it's a good thing. I just hope that it's in my color. So, okay. The next thing that I got is, I got something from Il Makiage. So I'm guessing this is a palette. Yeah, is it a palette? Oh, nice. Okay, so this is how the palette looks like. It's very shiny. Yeah. So it feels very heavy. So I think it has a bit of weight to it. So it's the Color Boss Quad Multidimensional Eye Color Quad in the Color Make Moves, I think. Yeah. So it's really nice. You can see like there's emboss of the brand there, the logo there. So trying to figure out. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's it's purple it's a purple tone palette, which is quite nice. I mean, I don't necessarily have something like this, so I'm glad to get it. So, and it's not that typical warm tone colors that you always get in subscription boxes. So I guess, yeah, this is nice. So I can't wait to play with this. So next one, the next thing that I got is actually a bronzer. So I got the bronzer from Shades of Shen. I've gotten a few stuff from them, from this brand actually. I think I got like a highlighter also from Ipsy, and I got a few. I've gotten a few stuff from this brand, and it's really quite nice. The quality of the powders are really nice. So this is a bronzer, and for Glam Bag Plus you will get all full size products, whereas for Glam Bag you will actually get, sometimes you will get full size like a brush or an eyeliner. It's considered full size, but the rest are all sample size. But for Glam Bag Plus it's definitely all full sizes. So this is a bronzer. So it looks like, I don't know, could be a bit dark, but I think I can work it out. So okay, I'm not mad getting that, because I don't really particularly buy a lot of bronzers, so it's good that I got this. And then the last thing I got is a liquid lipstick from Dragon Beauty. So this is a brand created by Nita Dragon. So this is the Dragon Glass Matte Liquid Lip in the color Nikita. How very fitting. So, ooh, I like the packaging. It's so nice, isn't it? The packaging is so nice. So yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily like the shape of it, you know, because I don't have anything, but at the same time I don't have anything like this. So I think it looks like a crystal, don't you think? So nice. So, oh, it's a bit oily, so I don't know, I have to like shake it a bit or something, but it's how the color looks like. I think it's a very universal color that everyone can use. So I really like to get this kind of colors. I mean, it's a very usable everywhere, usable everyday color for the lips. Yeah. Okay, so I got the bronzer, the eyeshadow palette, the facial oil, Dragon Beauty liquid lipstick, and also the foundation. So I really actually love all the products I got. So now let's go to the try on portion. So I'm gonna start with the I'm gonna try on the facial oil. I really love the facial oil scent. It has a lemony scent, so if you're into citrusy lemony smell, you're gonna like this, because I like this kind of smell. And this is a very liquidy, like watery, sorry, this is a very watery oil. So it's not like, I know that some oils are a bit more liquidy, so this is not. This is definitely watery. So let's try it on. Yeah, it has like a very minty and lemony smell. So I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. For some people might be a good thing. For me, I don't really mind the smell. Okay, so it doesn't feel oily at all. I mean, the oil feels nice on the skin, and it does actually give a bit of I would say like a bit of dewiness to the skin. I mean, it has a bit of smell, but I don't really mind the smell. So it makes my skin feel like, because it has like a very minty, lemony, medicated smell, so it makes my skin feel like very it has a very soothing feeling on the skin, if you get what I mean. So okay, for the Canalogica facial hydration oil, it says that it's made with anti-inflammatory plant oils like hemp seed oil, sunflower oil, and green oregano flower oil. A few drops help to soothe redness, irritation, and discomfort on contact. Oh, okay, so now I know why it feels really soothing when I put it on my skin. So I guess if you are having any redness or any burn, any irritation or any discomfort on your face, and when you put this oil on, it will definitely, it has a very soothing feeling. So yeah, it's vegan, cruelty free, and made with all natural ingredients. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. Okay, so next I'm gonna try on the Real Her I Am Graceful Powerwear Probiotic Foundation. So this one looks like, it has a pump. Okay, it says here that this blendable, buildable foundation doesn't just make skin look gorgeous, it helps repair and protect it too. It's infused with probiotics, aka the good bacteria essential for healthy, balanced skin, and ingredients to help shield your complexion from the harmful effects of blue light too. So, okay, sounds good. So, I'm not sure whether the color is my color. Oopsie. So, I think it might be a bit... Oh, okay. So I'm going to use a sponge. Wow, I think the color suits me really well. So I'm just going to put a bit more. Sponge that I'm using is from Cookie Cosmetics. I love this sponge. I also got this sponge from Ipsy as well. I got this in my glam bag, in my previous glam bag. So I put on the foundation, and I think the foundation looks really nice on my skin. I think the color was quite alright, and it says that it's a medium to full coverage, so it is actually medium to full coverage. I mean, I put 2 pumps for my whole face, so I don't know whether you can see it on camera, but it is actually medium to full coverage. So I guess if you want a light to medium coverage, use a very light hand, or according to their website, you can actually mix it with your moisturizer and you can achieve a lighter coverage. But I think this foundation is really nice. It has like it doesn't say that it has any, it doesn't say that it's like a matte finish or a dewy finish, but I guess because I put on the oil before the foundation, so it definitely gives like a more dewy effect on my skin. So I'm not too sure whether it has got nothing to do with that, but yeah, I think the foundation is really nice and I like it. So next I'm going to try on the Real Maquillage palette for the quad palette. So upon first application, I feel that the eyeshadow is quite blendable. It blends really well. I don't have any problems blending it out. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I mean, although it has like only 4 colors, I think you can work the 4 colors. So you can see, you can make the 4 colors work, you know, for an eye look. So this is also a win in my book. So yes. So next I'm going to try the bronzer. So I'm using the MOTD a Perfect 10 brush that I got also from previous Ipsy bag. I think it looks quite nice, although it's a bit more on the warmer tone. I still think that it turned out quite nice. So I'm just gonna go and do a complete face and come back. Okay, so I've got my face makeup on. So the last thing I'm gonna try is the liquid lipstick. So this is the final look of all the products on my face, and my final thoughts would be, I love all the things that I got this month. I think the oil is really good if you have like redness on your skin. It really gives that soothing effect to the skin, I feel. And then the foundation is also really good. I have to say, I mean, it's too early for me to say anything because I've only tried it on now, so I don't know how is the longevity, how it will actually look on my skin. I have combination skin, so I would not know. So I would need to actually test this foundation, you know, to see how well it wears on my skin. So far it doesn't feel cakey, and then it doesn't oxidize, and I think so far it held quite good on my skin. And then what else? For the palette, I think it was a really nice palette. I mean, the color story is not something that is like I would personally buy, but again, I'm glad I got it in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus so that I'm able to try this. So yeah, I like that as well. And also the bronzer. I mean, the bronzer is not like anything extraordinary that I've tried before, but for a bronzer it's quite nice, although it's a bit warm, as you can see, but it's still, I mean, I still can work it on my skin. And then the last thing would be the Dragon Beauty liquid lipstick. So it's not dried down yet, so it's supposed to dry down matte, but it has not dried down matte yet. But I like the color. I think I would wear this color often. Let me just tell you how much the total cost of the products that I got in this bag. Okay, for the Canalogica facial hydration oil, this is actually $50. So yeah, you pay for the bag about, the bag is actually $25, so this is actually double the price of the bag. So, and this is full size. And then the Il Makiage palette is $36. For the bronzer is $15. The foundation is also $36, and the liquid lipstick is $18. So the total would be, the total of the products that I got is actually $155. So imagine paying $25 for $155 worth of products. So that is really a bargain, I feel. But just to let you know, starting in October, they will actually hike up the price. For Glam Bag, it will be $13, and for Glam Bag Plus, it's gonna be $28. So, but I still think that for the products that you've got, that it's really worth to get it. So yeah, that is all for my Glam Bag Plus unbagging and try on video. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful, and yeah, don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.